computer. That did not take a second, right? All right then. Finally. Landing soft. Soft landing. I can't even lie on this floor. It's so disgustingly dirty. I wish I could say he's a teenager, but he's not.
I think they are till they're 25.
Yeah, well, hopefully I will have sent him away by then. Go seek your fortune, my boy. Wow, that didn't work. 10 seconds. Okay, crossing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Patter feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Running on the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Put your knee down, step back. Put your knee down, step back. Put your knee down, step back. Okay, just keep going with the right leg. Keep going with the right leg. 3, 2, 1. Change to the left leg. I say this all remembering that I've reversed my image, so I don't know what you're seeing. I don't know whether you're seeing right or left, I don't know. I made it a mirror image because that's more what we're used to seeing, isn't it? I lift that hand lifts. Side to side. 5, 4, 3, 2, right foot forward. 3, 2, 1, side to side. 5, 4, 3, 2, left foot forward. Side to side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Patter feet. Patter feet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touch the floor. Touch the ceiling. Touch the floor. Touch the ceiling. Touch the floor. Touch the ceiling. Try and land soft on the feet. 3, 2, 1. Side plank, elbow and knee together. Ten, 9, 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, change sides. Four, 3, 2, 1. Squat, twist, squat. Try to reach right round and look at your hand.
Is your class in the morning 9:15 or 9:30?
9:15.
I'm giving blood in the evening, so I'll try and do that one instead.
No worries. Is Peter away?
Not. Yeah, has he got another week before he goes, I think?
Three push-ups, jump up, run it on the spot for 5, back, 3 push-ups. I had a checkup a little while ago and they saw my blood pressure, and I didn't realise this, but they sent a message to my doctor saying alarmingly high blood pressure. So they sent me a text message. I got really fed up. I'm like, I don't drink, I don't smoke. I'm on clinical ketogenic. What the blue blazes? So I sat down and wrote down every single thing that I eat and put it in the AI. Thread the needle. Without exception, I just put everything in the AI. And it went, salt. I was gutted. It was in everything that I ate in enormous quantities. So I had 2 days with just changing everything to not having any salt in it at all. Change side, blood pressure, completely normal. For 2 days in a row now, completely normal. So beware of the salt. So good. Himalayan sea salt doesn't make any difference. It's still salt.
Well, it's nice it's something so easily fixable, isn't it?
Yeah. I got all excited about that. Started to fix everybody's problems. Right.
It's amazing, isn't it? Wow.
Right. Imagine you had one kettlebell and then you change it the other side. And then over your head, over your head, over your head. So you're squatting and then taking your arm up over the back. So you never fully extend your legs straight. Yeah, but it is amazing that you don't even realize how much salt is in it. I'm a big fan of the powdered garlic as well. If you don't read that, sometimes it's 50% salt. It's like, oh, good. That'll go with my Himalayan sea salt. 10, 8, 7, 5, 4, 2, 1. Hang on a minute. Twist. Keep it going. Twisty, twisty. Push your, I need to put your hand down, push off it to get your other arm way up behind you. I mean, it's quite obvious as well, but my body has also dumped a load of water because the salt makes you retain water. Good. Excellent. All right. Step, kick, back. Step, kick, back. Try and kick over your head, but with your leg nice and relaxed. Right up over your head. One, two, kick. "15 seconds. Change legs. Try and be relaxed. The more relaxed you are, the higher up the leg's going to go. 'Breathe out on the kick. Ten, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On your back. Plank. Just keep drawing your belly button in. Try and have your elbow directly underneath. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. All right. Here. 1. Sit down. 2, 3, 4. Sit back. 5, 6. Then you can start, if you want, as you warm up, leaning back a bit further. Push your groin forward. Lean back. Push your groin forward. Lean back. Push your groin forward. Lean back. Push your groin forward. Alright. Now you've warmed up a little bit. Hold. Bring your right leg out. Hold your left leg. Alright. And see if you can push your groin forward in that position. Can I do it? Yeah, I can. Now, push your pelvis forward. Push your pelvis forward. 3, 4, 5. Change side. Took me long enough to get into the stupid position. Other side. 1, 2, 3. I'm holding my rear ankle. 5. God damn, that was harder than I thought it was going to be. Alright, jump up. Stretch, jump back, and then do 10 quarter dogs. 1, 2, 3. 10 quarter dogs and jump back up. Stretch and repeat. Killer. Why is the sun really hot and the wind really cold? Really cold. Horrible. Ten, 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Jumping in, jumping out. Alright, and then think of it, if nothing else, as a sword. Pushing off the back leg, pushing off the front leg. Other way around. Just do that. Forward and back, pushing off the back foot, pushing off the front foot. Okay, one weight. Lift your left leg, touch the weight on the floor. And then, yeah, you can't do it on 3 mats. Up and down like that. Lift the knee right up. Touch it on the floor. Lift it up. Touch it on the floor. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, other leg. On the other side. Touch the floor, lift the knee. Touch the floor, lift the knee.
I'm doing opposite weight to leg, is that wrong?
It's that.
Right. Well, I'm committed now.
Just you've started, so you shall finish.
Yeah.
It's not wrong, it's just a different type of difficult. Five, 4, 3, 2, come down, touch, jump, touch, jump, touch, jump, touch. Try and get your bum lower than your knees. Jump and touch. Ten, 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get your shoulders back, behind, right back so your chest is in front of your shoulders. Good, so it's like you're slapping your hand over your head. One down, one up. But they're not over your head straight away, they're that way. So it stretches your pectoralis minor. Three, 2, 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. That's how much I cocked around today.